LACO's 50-year anniversary is really an awesome milestone. It means a lot to me because it started in the basement of our home by my father.
What inspired me to start LACO was a desire to, of course, have my own business, but also a desire to have my family possibly work with me. Our first product was what we called liquid ring vacuum pumps, and I had an order for 10 pumps, and I thought that will make me enough money to last for a month.
To think what he started, the seedling in a sense that started 50 years ago, that's grown into this great oak tree that provides products and services and solutions worldwide and has over 100 employees.
My biggest challenge was, of course, financial, but we also had challenges with finding people that could help us in the shop, finding salespeople that could go out on the road and generate sales. I think they were typical of all small businesses starting out, just trying to put everything together.
LACO would not be where it is if it wasn't for him. He set the foundation and the groundwork that those of us who've come after him have been able to continue.
I'm proud of the fact that we were able to develop our own products. The first product that we really concentrated on was building vacuum chambers. And we would build small little plastic chambers and we would build larger chambers. But we developed some techniques to build those chambers. That was the beginning of a lot of the products we sell now. In fact, we still sell vacuum chambers. Many things I think were unique in the industry. That was always our goal, is to develop LACO products. Not long after that, my second oldest son, Paul, had a desire to join the company, and we hired Paul. And
so those early years for me started formally in 1992 when I joined LACO. But as we started to grow into more of the high vacuum and leak detection technology, there were some significant challenges convincing customers to spend $200,000 on a system to leak test their products when we'd never built one before. And we were able to sell to a pretty reputable company, and I don't know how we did it, but that first big system sell made the difference, in a sense, kind of broke through the dam that allowed us to really grow and flourish. Those early years were about maybe taking risk. You can't fail unless you try, and you can't succeed unless you try, and we tried and we had more successes.
The 50-year milestone is certainly a great accomplishment. It shows that our company's been able to, adapt and evolve over time.
To me, it means a lot about perseverance, and sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down, but you keep moving forward.
Diversify and get into several markets and products that allowed us to continue to grow and sets a good stage for the growth of the future.
Our mission today at LACO is much more complex in those earlier years. I think in the earlier years, my dad was just trying to get by. Today, we have a very complex company, a lot of different product lines.
In the beginning, LACO certainly was a smaller company with fewer products, but the mission has always been to provide long-term employment and a place where people can grow and thrive in a business. And I think the same thing goes today with over 100 employees.
And I think it's no matter where you're at in the company, it's to try to do your best each and every day and to try to improve, make the company a little bit better each day.
As an owner, I want our employees to spend their whole careers here if they can and find this a fulfilling job, an exciting place to work, and products and customers that are exciting and fun to work with.
Our people at LACO are key. Without wonderful people that we have at LACO, we would not be successful.
Several long-term people that have spent many years that have helped us develop new product lines, new markets.
And I've always known a lot of employees at LACO, and they've always been good people.
So when I think about what drives our success, we could talk about products, we could talk about legacy, we can talk about our technology, but it's our people.
Without them, we wouldn't be where we're at today.
people that show up, so people that work hard, try to do their best.
I believe that our people bring diverse thought, they bring innovative ideas, they bring integrity and hard work. Together, that collaboration, that strong work ethic, and a desire to make a difference, to make the world better through our equipment, for our products, whether it's a vacuum system or a leak testing system.
And so I think that's what's really enriched LACO, is any company is really just the sum of its people, and always been lucky to work with great people.
The three brothers that work at LACO, we're just a small part of all the different people that have contributed and helped LACO to become what it is today.
I hope our team members here at LACO feel that this is not just a job, it's not just a paycheck, that they feel like they're truly making a difference and they're part of something bigger. I hope they also feel that they're valued. The impact they make on the world is significant. Whether you are welding a vacuum chamber, assembling a control panel, whether you're packaging up a box, whether you're inspecting a product or putting a product on the shelf, whatever your role is here at LACO, you're making a difference and we're all contributing.
You have the ability to extend yourself, try new things, sometimes fail, but get up and learn and grow as a person.
Have long-term growth. We want to encourage employees to get more education and knowledge and put some roots down in this company so that they can plan on staying here for as long as possible.
So thank you for the contributions that you make and the value you bring to our company, the attitude and the hard work, the work ethic, and frankly just the goodness and the friendship and the good people that you are.
When I look at what the company's become today, I think of the many, many employees they have now, probably over 100. And I think of the talents that each one of them have that contribute to the success of LACO. And that's why LACO has been able to be successful, is the many talented people that are now working for LACO.